Hi, Chloe, old friend.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time.
When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. Why no, shining down like water.
I would know, have you ever seen the rain? I would know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day.
Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard. Why no, been that way for all my time.
So forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know it will stop a wonder.
I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day.
Have you ever seen the rain?
I want to know, have you ever seen the rain?
Coming down on a sunny day. Thank you so much.
Bye, Chloe. God bless you. Good.